Hello and welcome here to GAG Guidance. In this video, I will show how you can increase CPU and GPU performance in Windows. By changing these power settings you will get higher FPS while gaming, you also get improved day-to-day performance. So let's dive into the video now. Go to home screen, follow these 5 steps. First you need to search for the control panel in the search bar and open it. Then go to System and Security. Third, select Change Battery Settings. And then click Change Plan Settings. Finally, now click on Advanced Power Settings. Here your power plan's default settings will be available. Before moving forward, hit the like button and target for today's likes will be just 50. Show your support. Thank you. Now follow me and check if your settings are same. If not, then change. In hard drive, set change on battery minutes to 20. Same as in the plugged in. In Intel graphics settings, change graphics power plan to maximize performance. In both battery and plugged in modes. Now select processor power management. And minimum power state in on battery and plugged in modes. Both should be at 100%. Also in maximum processor state in on battery and plugged in modes. Both should be at 100%. Go to switchable dynamic graphics. Set global settings for set on battery at optimize power savings. And for plugged in at maximum performance. If you have specific graphics card, you will have your graphics driver settings here, with your graphics card name power settings, like mine is AMD power settings. Change both on battery and plugged in to maximize performance. Then select apply and then OK. If you are still with us, surely these changes will help you. And if you like my work, click the subscribe button, I would really appreciate it. Thank you. And now it's time for a bonus tip. Go to Windows setting in System, then go to Power and Battery. Click on the Power mode, and choose Best Performance for better gaming performance. If you want to improve your HDD drive speed, click on the first video. And if you want to improve your gaming performance in Android, click on the second video. So this was it for today. See you in the next one. Till then, take care and bye bye.